Egyptian media reported that a convoy of 17 trucks of aid is crossing to Gaza today through Rafah crossing. The 17 trucks are full of medical supplies and medical aid, but no fuel, while the UN estimates about 100 trucks per day are needed to meet the needs of Gazans. The one item that is in most short supply is antiseptic. Doctors in Gaza reported that the lack of antiseptic agents forced them to use vinegar as a replacement in many facilities. According to the World Food Programme, the situation in Gaza is catastrophic. Palestinian health officials in Gaza reported that they received over 1,450 reports of missing people, which will make the number of Palestinians killed rise dramatically in the upcoming days.
Israel Defense Forces spokesperson Daniel Hagari said the army intensified airstrikes in Gaza over the past day, especially on the Gaza city and its surroundings, in preparation for the next stage of the war. Dozens of Hamas members were killed, including a senior commander, he added. Israel also on Sunday announced a plan to evacuate an additional 14 communities near the Lebanese border, amid escalating cross-border fighting between Israel and militants in southern Lebanon. The spokesperson also emphasized that the main objective of Israel remains defeating Hamas, and it is still trying to avoid another war front along the border with Lebanon.
On Sunday, 17 aid trucks entered Gaza through the Rafah crossing. This marks the second aid convoy sent to Gaza, following the delivery of 20 trucks filled with humanitarian supplies on Saturday. Also on Sunday, Israeli missiles hit Damascus and Aleppo international airports in Syria, putting them out of service and killing 2 workers. Lebanon's caretaker Prime Minister Najib Mikati announced on Sunday that diplomatic efforts are underway to stop Israeli attacks on Lebanon and to prevent the Gaza conflict from spilling over into the country.